In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filter logic in Salesforce. We're going to take a step-by-step look at customizing your reports or list views with a bit more precision and finesse. So, let's dive right in and ensure that you get the best out of your Salesforce experience. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the specific report or list view where you'd like to add your filter logic. This is the starting point for our task today, and it's important to ensure you're in the right place to make the relevant changes. Once you've located your desired report or list view, you'll want to look for the filter icon. This icon is typically found in the top right corner, often resembling a funnel or filter. Go ahead and click on it to start customizing your filter settings. With the filter panel open, you'll see an option to add filter. Clicking on this option allows you to input the specific filter conditions that are relevant to the data you're working with. Think carefully about what criteria are crucial for your analysis and add them accordingly. If you've added at least 2 filters, you'll notice a new section titled Filter Logic becoming available. This section is where the real magic happens, allowing you to combine your filters in complex ways. Now, click on Add Filter Logic. This feature is what enables you to define how these filters interact with each other. Taking full advantage of it will allow you to refine your data view significantly. To set your filter logic, you'll use numbers combined with Boolean operators. For instance, you might enter something like 1 and 2, 1 or 2 and 3, or not 1 and 2. Each number represents a filter in the order you added them. This is key to understanding how to arrange and prioritize your data filters effectively. It's important to remember that these numbers correspond directly to the order of your filter criteria. So, ensure that you reference the correct filter numbers when setting up your logic. This clarity will help you avoid any confusion and keep your filters functioning as intended. Once you're satisfied with your setup, it's time for a crucial step, clicking Save. This final action locks in all the hard work you've put into configuring your filters and logic. It ensures that the personalized data view is ready for you whenever you need to access it. And that's it. By following these steps, you've now added filter logic to your Salesforce reports or list views, providing you with a tailored and insightful view of your data. Thanks for watching and happy data filtering.